Egyptian tombs. Formerly named Hydrargyrum from Greek hydra or hydor, water, and agyros, silver. Thus its chemical symbol ACHG for hydrargyros. It is the only metallic element that is known to be liquid at standard temperature and pressure, used as a liquid mirror in telescopes and in X-ray crystallography. Mercury occurs in deposits throughout the world, mostly as cinnabar, mercuric sulfide. Cinnabar, from ancient Greek cinnabari or cinnabarite, the most common natural source of mercury, has been in use since the Neolithic age. Cinnabar has been used for its scarlet color since antiquity in the Near East, including as a rouge cosmetic for the ancient Egyptians, who used mercury sulfide in ointments and cosmetics. Mercury is the active ingredient in skin whitening compounds. Quantities of liquid mercury have been recovered from elite Mayan tombs that may have been used in bowls as mirrors and for divinatory purposes. In Islamic Spain, mercury was used for filling decorative mirror pools. The lenses of old lighthouses used to float and rotate in a bath of mercury. Mercury is used in illegal gold mining to separate gold particles from sand, gravel, and water. In Latin, cinnabar was known as minium, meaning red cinnamon. Its use in royal burial chambers during the peak of Maya civilization, most dramatically in the 7th century tomb of the Red Queen, where the remains of a noble woman and objects belonging to her in her sarcophagus were completely covered with bright red powder made from cinnabar. A pool of mercury was found under a major city of the Maya civilization, in a chamber 60 feet below the 1800-year-old pyramid known as the Temple of the Feathered Serpent, along with jade statues and jaguar remains. 2 female mummies found in Cerro Esmeralda in Chile had clothes colored with cinnabar. During the Roman Empire, it was mined both as a pigment and for its mercury content. Mercury was used for silvering mirrors, antiseptics, and hat making, inspiring the phrase Mad Hatter due to mercury poisoning.
Then all of a sudden shit happens out of nowhere, and then I'm like, what the hell, man? And then people are like, what did I do? And I'm like, I don't remember what you did.
To produce liquid mercury, quicksilver, living silver, crushed cinnabar ore is roasted in rotary furnaces. Pure mercury separates from sulfur in this process and easily evaporates. The geometric crystal structure of mercury is a rhombohedron. In geometry, a rhombohedron is also called a rhombic hexahedron. A hexahedron, plural hexahedra, or sexahedron, is any polyhedron with 6 faces. A cube, for example, is a regular hexahedron with all its faces square. There are 7 topologically distinct convex hexahedra, one of which exists in 2 mirror image forms. Topology, Greek topo, place, location, and logos, study, is the properties of a geometric object that is preserved under continuous deformations. A rhombohedron is a parallelepiped in which all 6 faces are congruent and has 2 opposite apices, singular apex, highest vertex. The Mercury cycle is a biogeochemical cycle influenced by natural and anthropogenic processes that transform mercury through multiple chemical forms and environments. Mercury is present on Earth in varying forms: elemental, inorganic, and organic, existing in three oxidation states: elemental mercury, mercurous mercury, and mercuric mercury. Electricity passes through mercury vapor in a fluorescent lamp to produce ultraviolet light, making visible light in neon signs. The deep violet glow of mercury vapor is rich in invisible ultraviolet radiation. Mercury dissolves many metals, such as gold and silver, to form amalgams, alloys of mercury. Iron is an exception. Thus, iron flasks have traditionally been used to transport. Iron is, by mass, the most common element on Earth. Over 70% of human iron is in blood. Mercury, however, is an extremely rare element on Earth. Mercury ores often occur in hot springs or other volcanic regions.